Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you!
Aye, aye, Captain!
Oh!
Hi, Mommy!
Hi, Maaray!
What are we learning about today?
لو ما عاد تنتقل مهارنا.
Let's learn about pronouns.
بزعبة أسمات.
Yeah. Hey, Mommy, look. Look over there, Mommy.
ترى إيزي تقدر
He's playing a soccer.
قعصو يتعوت على
Yes, Mommy. What was your favorite sports growing up?
قوية فتونيري.
You used to like running? That's cool.
عبي كزلوهم.
You're right. They have a big house. Where would you like to have your big house one day, Mom?
ما يزلو بوتا دس يبلني.
Really? How about Mexico City?
مكسيكو تبو بوتاي.
I think so too. Anyone can read a book. Do you read a book, Mom?
هو متحف يعني بيبي. مع سنيرو علة لدتا.
Her birthday was yesterday.
كسام مصايب سلام يا رخبنا. See you.
See you next time.
And that's a cut.